The KTM 990 RC track represents a bold evolution of KTM's race-inspired engineering, transforming an already capable road machine into a fully dedicated, non-street legal track weapon. Designed with zero compromises, this motorcycle strips away all road-oriented components, such as lights, mirrors, and side stands, and replaces them with a purpose-built, race-ready configuration. The result is a lightweight, low-maintenance Supersport machine that is easy to service and supported by detailed dealer assistance, making it accessible even for entry-level track riders. KTM also emphasizes personalization and usability, equipping the bike with injected plastic fairings for custom graphics, a higher windscreen for improved tuck positioning, and essential track accessories like a wet-weather taillight and paddock stand. Performance and handling are central to the KTM 990 RC track's identity. It comes fitted with Michelin Power Slick tires, 120/70, R17 front and 190/55, R17 rear, ensuring maximum grip on the circuit. Complementing the tires is a fully adjustable WP Apex suspension system, fine-tuned through extensive testing on some of Europe's most renowned racetracks. This setup allows riders to extract optimal performance in various track conditions while maintaining confidence and control at high speeds. A major highlight is the bike's advanced electronics suite, which has been streamlined for weight savings and efficiency. The system introduces 3 customizable track modes, enabling riders to tailor throttle response, traction control, slip levels, anti-wheelie behavior, launch control, and engine braking. Additional features such as a pit limiter, quick shifter plus, and a 4.2-inch full-color TFT display provide racers with critical data and seamless control during sessions. These technologies make the bike adaptable to different riding styles and track demands, enhancing both performance and rider engagement. Aerodynamics also play a crucial role in the KTM 990 RC track's design. Inspired by KTM's MotoGP machine, the RC16, the bike features sculpted wings and sharp edges that improve downforce, stability, and cornering precision. The ergonomics are equally refined, with a 15.7-liter fuel tank and a redesigned seat height of 857 mm, offering 6 key contact points. This setup allows riders to move fluidly around the bike while maintaining an aggressive, race-focused posture. Braking performance is equally impressive, thanks to a high-spec Brembo system. The front features 320mm high-pure discs with next-generation 4-piston calipers, delivering a more linear feel, consistent pressure, reduced lever effort, and superior modulation. A 240mm rear disc complements the setup, providing balanced and responsive braking tailored for track use, surpassing the ABS-oriented system found on the road-going version. At the heart of the machine lies a 947 cubic centimeters parallel twin DOHC LC8C engine, producing 135 horsepower, 99.3 kilowatts, and 105 Newton-meters of torque at 7,000 revolutions per minute. This engine contributes to the bike's excellent power-to-weight ratio and compact design. Enhancing both performance and sound is the Akrapovič Evolution exhaust system, constructed from stainless steel and weighing just 3 kilograms. The racing gearbox, with a longer first gear and shorter sixth gear, ensures optimal acceleration and top-end performance on the track, delivering an exhilarating riding experience. The KTM 990RC track was unveiled alongside its road-going counterpart and introduced in conjunction with the KTM 990RC Cup, a professionally organized, cost-controlled European race series aimed at non-professional riders. This initiative allows enthusiasts to experience competitive racing in a structured environment, with participants receiving early access to the track model. KTM's vision is to bring high-performance racing closer to everyday riders, blending accessibility with authentic motorsport excitement. According to KTM's head of global marketing, Rian Neveliing, the development of the track model was a natural progression from the standard RCR. By making targeted adjustments, KTM successfully created a machine that embodies the brand's racing heritage while delivering intense, adrenaline-fueled performance. The KTM 990RC track stands as a refined yet unfiltered supersport motorcycle, built to dominate circuits and push riders to their limits.